So far dug out from 2 pots. This is what we got right here, as you can see. Look at this. I tell you, my granddaughter keep an eye on us. I guess every day she's on a lookout, looking out that window, waiting for us to come out here in the garden. Here she comes. Hi, Precious. Are you cold?
Yes, I could.
Oh.
Look at my baby.
Oh, how precious. Look at your baby. Oops. Gotta look at it through the camera.
Is your baby cold?
Yes, my baby toes.
I like your earmuffs. That's pretty earmuffs.
Grandpa is digging up some potatoes for you, Mama. Sweet potatoes.
Look.
Oh, how nice.
Wow.
Okay. Ooh, that's a nice size, Daddy.
Look at my baby.
Stay here with your baby, Mama.
Thank you.
Okay, so I can see what's in the bottom. I gotta flip it.
And which one? This is the type that. Oops. Can't even. So. Oops. Daddy, could you please put that over there? My greens. I've gotten all this organized here.
Then I flip it, see what's this in there.
Is there any more in there? Those are good size. Yes, Mama. You have to come here. Don't go too far, baby. Grandpa's digging us some sweet potato.
Oh, I see it, Mama.
You see it? Wow, that's a good cluster.
Not him.
Oops. Let me look at it through the camera. Oh, that's a good one. See that? I'm really expecting a lot less than what we're getting. I'm so happy. Yes, Mama. We're gonna be able to give you some good sweet potato lunch and dinner. I mean, I'm happy with what we're getting. Some good ones too.
Oh,
Can't complain with that. What, Mama?
He passed it up.
Okay, just wait till Grandpa and Grandma finished, okay? You have to wait, Mama. Because see, Grandpa and Grandma are busy right now.
Huh?
We're working.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Grandpa's working.
You look?
I work.
You're actually working, Grandpa?
Body?
Yeah, finally.
Fine. Eugene's gonna have a good dinner tonight. And this is the best thing. It's just grown and
Yes.
compost and nothing else. Actually, that big clump right there in that corner, that's a volunteer that grow right on that spot right there. Right there. Outside. Not even inside the pot. And the best ones we got are from outside the pot. And so far, we're getting some very good sized sweet potatoes. Quite happy with them. Look at this. That's a very nice size of sweet potato. Wow.
Here this guys go.
Well, those little ones, we're gonna put it back in the pot. That way, they could grow.
Those are yummies, Macy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're getting a good amount of greens.
We have a lot of yummies, Macy.
Yeah, Papa.
Yes, Mommy. That's okay.
Those are the volunteers, Daddy. Those that you're finding on the ground.
I mean, this is anywhere.
Those are the volunteers.
He was laying over there by himself.
Right on the surface of the soil. Oh well,
It's pretty good.
we're getting a lot of greens. I'll probably show them another recipe with this green.
You got shears?
Right here, Daddy.
I'm gonna really flip. Oh no, I can't flip. I gotta take out.
Yeah, that's too big to be flipped. Okay, coming up. Some good ones. Not bad.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, yeah, whoa, whoa,
Somebody's having fun, at least.
Good.
Another volunteer type of plant. I think that's ginger. Dig it out gently, Daddy, and oops, sorry. Right there. We'll put it in a different pot. Yeah, there might be ginger. We'll just,
Look, big worm.
oh, what is it? Oh, turmeric.
It's hot, Mom.
Save it.
Really? Okay, so that's already got a good start right there. That's a turmeric. I don't know how it got it, how it's found its way there, but we have a piece of turmeric here already started. So we're gonna put this in a pot and nurture this for next year's season. Let's keep it. Rex, no.
You did that.
Look at this.
Oh,
It's hotter. It's hotter.
It's a turtle.
Yeah, it's hotter. I taste.
You see the turtle?
That's a sea.
you got a cluster in there. Lots of roots. Nice.
Yeah, my yard.
I'm expecting delivery.
Oh, that's right.
I can't resist it. He's checking on the UPS. I gotta dig up my sweet potato. Oh, this is a good one. One hand. Oh, nice. It's a nice, healthy looking one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good enough. Rinse that, put that on a grill.
You took a picture of
You
him?
did what? No, Macy.
Eugene,
Your head. Macy, there's something in there.
you know,
Puppy,
oh my goodness, that's the biggest sweet potato I've ever seen in my life.
is it good to eat?
Oh, sure.
It's gonna
Because look how healthy look. Oh my
You
god.
can make a whole
This thing is
pie with that. Make
huge.
a sweet potato pie.
Oh
out of
my
that.
goodness. I had never seen something
Make a
so
sweet
big.
potato pie, and I'll make the Cool Whip topping to go on top.
Okay. Wow. We gotta weigh that. Just that one alone. I don't know if I have ever seen one that big.
Don't break it. You
Aw,
can't
you
come
want to go
see.
see Grandma and Grandpa?
Okay. You want to see Grandpa? Look. Look at Grandpa. See him?
Look at this. I mean, this is huge. And look at how healthy. The skin is so smooth.
Oh, look at that
I mean,
bug.
very, very healthy looking. Huge. Ginormous. Gigantic.